You don't know how excited I am about this. Anya got me some new shoelaces for my work boots. Big day. Thank you, beauty. We're about to break some shit today. It's gonna be fun.
Oh my goodness, my guns are finally coming out.
It's demolition day. This is what I got to work with, people. This is my partner in crime. Room one wall pulled off. This is the only wall in this room that we're really gonna mess with and move. I mean, this one definitely the wallpaper's gonna come off, but I don't know if we're gonna completely take that wall out. So I'm gonna leave that wall kind of the way it is right now. The next couple bits I'm gonna pull off are these walls here. That is into the room that I just took the wall out. I don't want to be able to expose all this stuff, so I need to be able to see where our weight-bearing stuff is and what is not weight-bearing. I'm pretty sure that this right here is not weight-bearing, and this corner is not weight-bearing. Although this long wall attached to it, it might be weight-bearing, but we'll see. What'd you find behind this?
Lovely paneling.
Yeah, this lovely paneling.
I thought this was wallpaper. I'm not kidding you. I came in here and I was like, look at this lovely design wallpaper. And Josh is like, it's drywall. Why did they rip it like this? I guess to have the glue adhere better, but it looked like some funky 60s wallpaper.
I think people in the 70s were nuts. What do you think about paneling? Yeah, I agree. Paneling's for the birds. I got this first bit, you know, kind of pushing through the closet into that hallway is now totally open, so we can see from the front window all the way through to the back of the house now, which is kind of nice. Kind of show you guys. Oh, this is gone. Here's the original bedroom. It goes all the way through to the kitchen. This is kind of nice. The next part is to get out this is the back side of the hallway closet. So I'm gonna pull that out, start to work down the hall, see what we got.
Do you hear that sound? Oh, we are about to find out which walls are load bearing, because Josh
doesn't have patience.
All right, for the moment of truth, what do we have there?
Well, man. I don't know if either of these walls are load bearing.
Oh my gosh! Woo!
Don't quote me on that.
All right, which means that there should be a beam in this one then. This would be the load bearing wall.
Load bearing wall.
Which is perfect, because we're not gonna move it.
Well, I think we still need to talk to an engineer first, though.
All right. Wow.
Just to confirm. I mean, we might be sitting on the best scenario ever, but we need to talk to an engineer first.
All right. Well.
Post shizzle, because it doesn't make sense why there's no. Well, they got beams going all the way through the basement, like literally like right here, but it's only floor joists that are spanning across it, and it's not. Mm-hmm. What do I know? We gotta find that guy's number.
Yeah. Oh yeah, our structural engineer.
Yeah. We gotta find a structural engineer.
We gotta give him this.
demo. I'm not really get a full day. I get a couple hours in, but I got to take every little bit I can get. And I am wearing the same pants I wore yesterday, so they're probably pretty dirty. They're gonna start to stink soon. You know, maybe I'll get 3 days out of them. I don't know. We'll see. I did put on a different shirt. Let's get cracking. All right, so I've been out here pulling off some baseboard, and I just pulled off a piece of baseboard. I do not like the way this looks. It looks to me like it's got some termite channeling in it, which is, if it's in the baseboard, it means it's going to be in the structure of the house here. Hopefully this is something old. I don't see any active termites in it right now. So hopefully this was something old and it was taken care of. Man, I hope so. Right here, pretty much directly under what I was just working on. I don't see any other signs of termite. Oh, it's just kind of nice. Which makes me think, like, where did they come in at? Because usually they come in low and go high, but... Actually, I just made that up. I don't even know. I don't even know where termites come from. I know they can come in at woods touching ground, but through a basement, I have no idea. I think this is day four of demo, pretty sure. I got this one last double wall to get out, and then I got the bathroom to get out. I'm hoping to get all that stuff out today. I haven't been able to put like these full days in like I really like, but hopefully I can get this stuff done. My buddy Leo, who you'll meet, we're about to head over to Loomis this afternoon and start to pick up our lumber to put in the beams and stuff like that, so we can start to get these walls out of here. So things are moving pretty quick. Real work is getting in the way, such is life. But we'll keep plugging away. All right, let's get this wall out. So in 1967, when this house was built, I have a feeling one of the construction workers took their chewing tobacco out and just sat it inside the wall. You want to see it? So that is chewing tobacco from 1967. I'm not going to touch it with my bare hands, but I want to suck it up with a shop vac.
Ooh, that, my friends, is nasty. I guess Josh forgot that in our disclosures, the termite inspection came back and there was previous damage which was mitigated, so no biggie, just replace a couple pieces of wood and we're good to go. Also, got some good news back from the engineer, and we are a go for removing those walls. They are not load bearing, which is such a money saver and wonderful news. So here we go. Out they go. When the toolbox hung up, that means we're signing off.